Hi! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make another Christmas craft. Are you ready for this moving toy Santa? So if you would like to make this craft, please continue watching. Let's get creative, shall we? For this craft, we need 2 pieces of 7-ounce paper cups, 1 A4 size red felt paper, a black felt paper, 10 pieces of cotton balls, bells, a pair of googly eyes, 4 pieces of soft pipe cleaners, 2 colors of designer tape or washi tape, paint, glue, pencils, and scissors. Let's get started. We begin by cutting the lid of the 2 paper cups. Make sure that the edges are smooth and flat. After cutting the lids, grab a pencil and draw the area where we will paint our face. Now let's paint our face and our body. Then take the A4 felt paper and cut it into half. Take the other half and fold it in the middle. And then cut a small curve at the corner. And a slanting line to form a cone shape. This will be Santa's hat. To make the arms and the legs, cut the other felt paper into half. Fold it again vertically and cut it to 4 strips. Then cut the remaining felt paper into 2. Then for the gloves and the boots, cut 1 inch by 2 inches strips using the black felt paper. For Santa to move, we will be using pipe cleaners. Take the 2 pipe cleaners first and connect them together tightly. Make sure that it is strong enough, and you can test it by pulling and stretching it. Now that the spine is ready, we are now going to attach it to the hat. But first, let's put a bell. Make sure to put enough glue to the felt and the pipe cleaner. Now we can make our cone hat. Grab 2 paper cups and make a hole in the center. Make sure that the holes are aligned to each other. Punch 2 holes on each side of the red paper cup. We can make the hole bigger by cutting around it. Make a bigger hole on the bottom of the red cup. With the white paper cup facing down, insert the pipe cleaner in the hole that we made. Before attaching the hat to the head, we need to stick some cotton balls on the head. Put enough glue to cover the forehead, as well as back of the head. Don't forget to put glue around the inner lining of the hat. Make sure that the pipe cleaner is not touching the glue. Next, pull the pipe cleaner down. Notice that the hat moves down as well. Mark the part of the pipe cleaner where we're going to tie the arms. Gently pull the pipe cleaner down while tying the arms. So if you open the cup, the pipe cleaner should look like this. Then to make the legs, take the last pipe cleaner, measure at least 3 inches from the arms, and tie it around tightly. With the completed stickman framework, we are now ready to attach the cups together. To secure the body and the head together, let's stick some designer tape. To make the sleeves, take the 2 shorter felts, fold one in half, and make a small trim to fit inside the armhole. Apply some glue on the pipe cleaner and close the edges of the sleeves. Cut a small felt to stick around the tip of the legs to keep the pipe cleaners together. Then take the longer felt cutouts to make the pants. With the glue, wrap it around each pipe cleaner leg. If you find the legs and the arms too long, you may also give it a trim. Next, take the black felt to make the gloves and the boots. Then attach one bell to the hand. Then trim around it to smoothen the edges. For the hair and beard, unroll the cotton balls and apply glue to stick. Remember to stick the hair at the back of the head. Now time to stick the eyes. Then cut a small circle for the nose. And give Santa two rosy cheeks. Make a belt using the black felt. Santa's looking good! Now for some finishing touches, let's add gold on the belt buckle, shirt, hat, sleeves, and boots. And finally, test and check for any loose ends or if anything to touch up. And now here's our moving toy Santa. You can also make a toy Santa with a pink hat. I hope you enjoyed making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!